Hello everyone, how are you? And we are back together again. I am so happy for that. And I am getting ready to do another Valentine DIY. What you're going to need, what I'm using are from the Target dollar spot, and each of these were $1. Some of this burlap and lace I should say, from Hobby Lobby. The candlestick that I already spray painted rub oil bronze, and this is from the Dollar Tree, this candlestick. And I think I'm going to use some of these hearts from the his and her section from Hobby Lobby. And this will go with my part of the decor for Valentine's that is all natural colors. Your traditional red and pink. You'll also need tea lights, although you could use a regular votive in these. So what I'm going to do, I'll just measure out. Since I already measured one, I'm going to go a little bit more than this one, tiny bit. Just waiting for the glue gun. As soon as that's hot, I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm doing is I just got the hot glue and I'm putting it on the seam of the actual holder. I'm just going to bring it around. And adhere it to that. Let's go up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to adhere the burlap to the burlap and just a dot of it onto the metal, so I can take it off and do something else with these if I want to. Okay. Then I'm going to take I think I'll do 3 hearts on one and maybe one on the other. So there it is so far. Because I want them to be a little bit different. I don't want them to be exactly the same. Told you this was going to be a fast one. And one of these I'm going to leave on without a candle holder, without, and then one with. So let's do the other one. Just put a little bit on there on this one, so this one just is going to meet. I don't have the overlapping. Actually, this doesn't really want to adhere to this at all, to be honest with you, so I'm just going to do what I did before and glue it onto burlap. And this one I'm only going to use one heart. If you wanted, you could put both of them on candlesticks. I choose not to, just because I want 2 different heights. I want one lower, one higher. This one has the 3. You could do 4. But the way mine's going to be sitting, you're not going to see the back, so I'm not. And like I said, I'll probably take these off and use these maybe for Easter. So now you just take your tea light And if you have a regular votive, I mean a wax votive, you can use that too. There's no reason not to because this is metal. And you can just see ever so slightly the illumination from the tea light. A little bit more light if you used the real votives, but I like it and it's going to serve its purpose for where I'm putting it and the color in my decor. So there you go. There's another very, very fast, easy, and expensive DIY for Valentine's Day. So guys, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.